Hey guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial video here on CodeRevolution TV. So because you guys asked for this, I will show you today how to add the global chatbot, the remote chatbot from AIMOGEN'S as a pop-up on a remote website. So you might be aware that the AIMOGEN'S plugin provides a remote chatbot feature, so you install AIMOGEN'S on a website and you will be able to use the chatbot provided by the AIMOGEN'S plugin from that website on multiple websites. So install it on one website, use the chatbot. It provides on many more websites where AIMOGEN'S is not installed. So let me show you how this can be done to show the chatbot on as a pop-up on the remote websites, because in other tutorial videos I showed you that you can install AIMOGEN'S and use the chatbot directly embedded on the other websites, but now I will show you how to create also a pop-up from the chatbot. So first of all, install AIMOGEN'S on your source website, add your API key in the API keys list from OpenAI, for example, in the settings. Afterwards, go to AI chatbot and in the remote chatbot tab, click enable chatbot embedding on remote sites, save settings. If you want to secure your chatbot, add the URL of your websites where you want to embed here, but it will work also without this. Afterwards, click add a new remote chatbot and a new remote chatbot will be created for you. If you want to customize the remote chatbot, click edit and you will be able to update the shortcode which will appear in the remote chatbot here in this edit form. Click update when you are done. You can create custom chatbots using the custom chatbot builder. You can copy this shortcode when you are done. So let me use the default chatbot right now, and for this I will link to you guys in this video description this knowledge base FAQ link, and here I will give you the exact code which needs to be added to your site for to add the floating chatbot, remote chatbot to your remote site. So for this, let's copy the entire script that is added here on this page. Go to my local site where I will be embedding the remote chatbot. So note that this is a URL and this is my local URL. And let's write test and add a new block, HTML, because we will need HTML block, and paste the entire code that we copied from this page. So you will need to copy the entire block from here. And one more thing you need to do is go to the embed code that you got, and instead of copying it in its entirety, copy only this text, this URL between double quotes. So src equals double quotes the URL and double quotes close. So accepting the double quotes, copy the URL. And you will need to paste it here in the iframe src, paste it in this URL box. Instead of this, you can also copy the entire iframe and replace the entire iframe from here, but it is okay only to replace the URL because it will work. So now let's publish and let's view the post. And here it is. It's a blank post because we did not write hello, this is my remote chatbot. Let's save it now and let's refresh. So hello, this is my remote chatbot, and here down in the corner we have open chat and we can open, close. So this magic is done remotely, and we can also discuss with the chatbot, and this will be available with a floating window on the top of your remote site. So note that this page is actually working from our remote website, and this is here we don't have AIMOGEN'S installed or running. So AIMOGEN'S is not needed to be installed or running on our remote site. We just need to embed it and it will work from the source website. Okay, so note that you can create multiple remote website chatbots and embed each chatbot differently on remote websites. Also, let me show you how this will work if you add the code that AIMOGEN'S provides directly into an HTML block, and we don't use the code provided from this knowledge base article. So in this case, the chatbot will be added directly to the page, as you can see, and it will able to provide info for customers and users. So here it is. This is the floating chatbot, which is a remote floating chatbot, and the other one is the embedded chatbot to the page. Both will be able to be used with the remote chatbot functionality of AIMOGEN'S. This article is linked in this video's description. Go ahead, guys, and check it, because you will be able to follow this tutorial, and all you need to do is replace this URL with the URL provided by the plugin to you guys, and you will be able to test the chatbot, customize the options. Yeah, so this is very important. Also, if the chatbot is you need the chatbot to be taller or shorter, you can change the height of the chatbot here. So this is the height of the iframe. This can be set to any value you wish. This is the width of the iframe, and these two values can be customized here directly in this code to change the appearance of the chatbot and its size. If you have more complex requirements for the chatbot embedding, you can customize this code, which is provided here, using the services of a freelancer. This is also possible. So AIMOGEN'S is linked in this video's description. Also, this knowledge base article is linked there. Go ahead, guys, and check it. This is all for today. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching until then. Have a nice day. Bye bye.